Alright, welcome back to another day of recapping, trading, forex with gold, XAUUSD. So let's go. So first of all, as you can see, in the chart, before I've broken up like 4-hour time frames. I see like the market has go very far. Like the candlesticks go very high. I don't know, is that like a new or something? I didn't check it. And then I'm back to 5-minute time frame. 5-minute time frame. Oh, it's a little bit lag right now. Okay, 5-minute time frame. I see there's a fair value gap, breakout structure right here, and I'll retest it, fair value gap. After it retest it, I take a sell, and I'm not sure about it. I'm not really sure about it, and then I go back. I go to 1-minute time frames. 1-minute time frames. Wait a minute. Yes, there's a 1-minute time frames right here. Oh, what's happened? Okay, so 1-minute time frames. 1-minute time frames. I entry over here, which is I just have no any confirmation, and then I feel like frustrated, and then I just take a trade because I know when it's hit fair value it's gonna go down. But the thing is, when it's go down and then come back with taste ups, and then it's making a low here, and I see this candlesticks. Wait a minute. This candlesticks close, but the wick has closed up there, so I close the trade over here, but the price will go a little bit lower and then go back higher. And before that and after that, I take another trade right here because we chase all the blocks, break a block, and yeah, that times I thought the market's gonna go down. That's why I put my stop loss over here. So yeah, let's go and take my stop loss. I lost like $2, but this one I made $2 from this because I'm not sure what you guys can learn from this. Even if the markets, even if the candlestick close below the low with the wicks, that you should wait for another candlestick to close above it to confirm for another candlestick, because in 1 minute I think once candlesticks cannot be confirmed, and you can look at 5-minute time frames. Yep, this is 5-minute time frames. 5-minute time frames show us that the candlestick has closed below the low here. So yeah, it's gonna go down, but you guys can just put 2 orders, so you can take profit without like big risk. And yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you're doing well, and yep, see you in another video. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you get rich.